But you are not visible, sir. I can't see you. Yeah, right now I can see you, sir.
Can you see me properly? Am I
Yes, sir.
visible to you?
Yeah, I can see you properly, sir. You are visible.
I see. It
Yeah.
seems like, it seems that I have seen you somewhere, or
Yes, sir. I have
I
I
am
have
presuming.
I have
Huh?
taken class from you, sir. I have taken class from you
Really?
for, yeah, only for 1 week.
When? When?
I think
When?
so. 1 year ago, sir. 1 year ago, I took class from you, sir. Only
I
for 1 week.
see.
Yeah. You
I
taught me,
see. I
taught me how to speak in English language. Yeah.
I
I'm
see.
I'm
I
your
see.
student, sir. I am your student.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy that class? Did you
Yes,
enjoy?
sir. I enjoyed, sir. I enjoyed. But you know, that time
Absolutely.
I was busy. I was busy. That's why I could not continue.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it seems you are free. In a sense, you are free.
Yeah.
These days,
Now,
nowadays, you are
this
free.
day I'm totally free, sir. This day I'm totally
How?
free, and I practice every day, sir, and I watch your video every day.
I see. I see. So,
And
what brings you here? What brings you here, Mr. Aslam?
actually, sir, I wanted to talk with you, sir. So many
Hmm.
times I sent you a request on like WhatsApp, but
Okay.
sometimes you didn't reply me.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
Actually, I watched your many videos, so I know you are a good speaker. You speak very well. That's why I
Mm.
wanted to talk with you. I wanted to have conversation with you. So it's come true, and I am talking with you, sir. So I am very happy to meet you.
Okay. Well, I forgot about you. Maybe uh, you might have given me your introduction as well 1 year ago, but I don't know. I forgot. Would you mind telling me a little bit about yourself once again, sir?
Why not, sir?
Aslam.
Yeah. Yes, sir. My name is Mohammad Aslam, and I am from
Mm.
Jharkhand. I live in Ranchi city. It's my hometown. And
Okay.
if you talk about my profession, I am a graphic designer. I work in company as a graphic designer.
Yeah, yeah. I remember. I remember.
Yes, sir.
I remember now. I see. So
Yes, sir.
what's new going on in your life? What's new going
Just
on
just
in
I am
your life?
practicing, sir. Just I am practicing English language because I
Mm.
want to enhance my English communication, sir. And I
Okay.
use every day your app application that is called
Mm-hmm.
Hybro app. So Hybro
Okay.
app helped me a lot, yeah, to enhance
Oh,
my English communication.
I see. Really?
Yeah, every day I practice 20 minutes because Hybro application give me 20 minutes free of cost. That's why I
Yes.
use 20 minutes every day. Yeah.
Wow, wow, excellent. And apart from that, what do you do? Still you're doing your job as a graphics designer, or
Yes, sir.
have you started something new, something
No,
adventuristic?
sir. I'm still working in a company as a graphic designer, but in future, sir, in future I will open my own business. But first
Mm-hmm.
of all, I want to go to Gulf country to job purpose, sir. That's why I'm learning English. There is
I
main
see.
reason behind this. Yeah,
Where you would like to go? Where you would like to go?
I prefer Dubai, sir. I would like to go to Dubai first. Yeah,
Uh,
yes, sir.
as a what profession? What profession you would like
As a
to go
graphic
Dubai?
designer, sir. As a graphic designer, because I have 6 year experience. I have been working for 6 years. So suppose if I go to Dubai, then I will get a handsome salary in Dubai.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Mm-hmm.
why. That's why I have chosen Dubai.
So someone gave you this idea to go Dubai.
Yeah,
Someone gave you idea.
someone gave me actually 1 month ago. I talked with one person who lives in Dubai. So
Okay.
he told me about graphic design. I talked 5 minutes to
Okay.
him. So he told me, if you come to Dubai, then you will get handsome salary because you have 6 year experience. So as a
Mm-hmm.
experience, you can come to Dubai and you can join any company.
Absolutely. But how? How will you go? How will you get the visa? Where will you find a job? Where will you give the interview? How? Could you please tell me how? How will you do
Actually,
all
sir,
these procedures?
yeah,
Hmm.
I can interview through online, sir. First of all,
Hmm.
I will have to make my profile in Indeed. Have you heard about Indeed?
We call Indeed.
Yeah, Indeed.
I-
It's
What
a
is
website.
Indeed?
It's
It's a
a
website.
website, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So first of all, I have to make my profile ID
Okay.
in
Then
Indeed. Yeah. After
okay.
that, if I get any job, if I get any job in Indeed,
Uh,
that time I will apply
okay.
for job. Yeah.
It's mean if you will upload your CV on Indeed, the companies and the HR will shortlist if they required any graphics designer. Then they will contact you, and then you will give them interview. Like that,
Yes, sir.
this system works. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes, sir. You are
Okay.
right.
Why you have chosen only Gulf country? Why not other country? There are plenty of countries are there. Why only Gulf country?
Yes, sir.
Why
There are
only
many
Dubai?
countries, but many Indians people lives in Dubai, in Saudi Arabia. So
Okay.
suppose if I go to Saudi and Dubai, so right now my English is not good, sir. Right now my English is not good. Just I'm learning. So I have
Okay.
heard about Dubai people. They can understand Hindi language easily. That's why
Okay.
I have chosen Dubai or Saudi Arabia because many Indian and other country people lives in Saudi Arabia who can speak Hindi language and who can understand easily Hindi language.
No, it doesn't mean that local people from Dubai they understand English. But the thing is that the will get the benefit. What benefit we get when we go in a Gulf country? That majority of our worker expatriate, we could say expatriate, majority of our expatriate who lives in a Gulf country, they are Asians. For example, Pakistani, Bengali,
Yes, sir.
Nepali, Hindi. Huh?
Yes,
These
sir.
people know Hindi very well. So we get
Yeah.
one benefit. We get a benefit that no need to get more trouble speaking in English language. But if you
Yes,
are
sir.
considering that local Arabic people speak Hindi, this is completely wrong. They don't speak Hindi.
No,
They
actually,
just know.
uh,
Uh,
one of a stranger, he told me like Dubai local people they can understand Hindi easily. I'm not sure that it's a true or not, but he told me like Dubai people can understand Hindi language.
no, that's wrong, sir. That's wrong. They only understand if you will say हाँ आप कैसे हैं तो they will only tell you I'm good.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
More
Yes,
than
sir.
this they don't understand. This is a myth, you know.
No, actually, I don't have idea. I don't have idea. As he told me, so I know like
I
they can.
I have an idea because I have student from Dubai. I have student
Okay.
from Dubai. I have student from Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait.
Yes, sir.
I have students, so that's why I have idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And sir, I want to know something about you, sir. What are you doing these days? Because before, you used to drive auto. So
No, before even I used to drive auto 4 5 year ago. I
okay,
left I left driving 5 year ago. I don't drive anymore. I have not been driving auto for the last 5 years. I have been working as a spoken English trainer for the last 5 years.
yes, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
and
first time when I watched your video, that time I realized if auto driver can speak English language, then why not I can speak English language?
no, 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 no. It's what should I say? It is not all about auto driver or labor. It is all about your determination, your
Yes,
perseverance, your goal in your life that you want to do something in your life. Look, there are so
yes, yes,
many auto drivers. They are not trying to do something. Forget
yeah,
the auto drivers. There are so many people. Look, if you have strong determination, then you can achieve anything. English is just a language, sir. English is
yes, sir.
just a language. You know,
Yeah, yes, sir. I know.
it doesn't mean by an auto driver. It's any person, even illiterate person can speak English, but needs to have a strong determination, patience.
Yeah, yes, sir. But you are very
Anyone can.
famous, sir. You are very famous for speaking, sir, because you are speaking way. It's
Alhamdulillah.
good. Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Look, I'll tell you, there are so many English tutor are there, but I'll tell you, my communication skill is very good. I believe on my fantastic communication skill. I have fantastic, unparalleled communication skill. I can communicate with any individual flawlessly. This is my strength. What is my
That's why.
strength? Yeah,
Yeah.
my strength is communication skill.
I understand whatever you said, sir. That's why I watch every day your conversation video every day. Yeah, it's my. You can say it has become my habit.
Really.
Yes, sir.
So whatever I say, you understand
Yes,
completely.
sir. I understand. Yeah, but other people, like other people, when they talk, that time I have to face problem. But your speaking is good. Your accent is good. That's why I understand whatever you said.
Okay. When you,
Yes, yes, sir.
I see, absolutely. Then Mr. Aslam, what can I
Yes.
do for you else? What can I do for you else? Do you have something for me? Do you have any query? Do you have any questions regarding English, regarding grammar that you would like to share with me?
Okay, sir. So I want to say one sentence. It is correct or not? So tell me, sir. First sentence is I am wearing cap. I am wearing cap. It's my first
Okay.
sentence. And if I
Hmm.
say I am putting my cap on my head, so which is
Hmm.
correct, sir? Tell me.
Both are correct, sir. Both are correct. I am putting, what did you say? The second one?
1 minute, sir. Can you see me, sir?
I can see you.
Yes, sir.
Can you see me?
Sir, first sentence is I am
Mis-
wearing. Yeah,
Mr. Aslam, can you see me?
yeah, I can see you, sir.
Okay, come on, tell me.
Yeah. So my first sentence was, sir, I'm wearing cap, and second
Okay.
sentence is, yeah.
हाँ, I'm wearing cap का मतलब होता है मैं कैप पहना हुआ हूँ.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are two meanings. मैं कैप पहन रहा हूँ तो I am wearing cap और I am wearing cap यानी मैं कैप पहना हुआ. दोनों both are the meaning are equal. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay. The second and what is the
The
next
second
question?
sentence is, sir, I am putting my cap on my head. It's correct or not, sir?
I'm putting cap on my head. Putting
Yeah.
cap in a sense यानी मेरे सर पे मैं टोपी रख रहा हूँ. I'm putting cap on my head. इसका मतलब ये हो रहा है. That's wrong.
Sir.
That's wrong. That's
Yeah,
not
yeah. It
acceptable
means,
somehow.
yeah. It means I should say I'm wearing cap.
Yes, absolutely. You should say I
Uh,
am wearing cap. Have you heard the sentence put on, put off, put
yeah.
on,
I
put
have
off?
heard. I
Yeah,
have heard about put on,
yeah,
put off.
yeah. So put on means put on shirt, put off shirts. So
Yeah.
similar like that. I'm putting a cap on my head. It doesn't mean by wearing, just only putting. Maybe
Yes, sir.
yeah. It doesn't mean by wearing, just putting only.
Yeah,
There is
yeah.
it it is totally, I would say, I can't say this is the wrong sentence, but you can understand. मैं अपने सर पर टोपी रख रहा हूँ. If you are saying me, it doesn't mean by wearing. It mean I am putting a cap on my head. It just mean by putting, not a wearing.
Yeah, you're right, sir.
Yeah. Then
Yeah.
Mr. Aslam, I think it's time to move on. Allow me to leave. Do you have any more question regarding
No,
English
sir. No,
grammar?
just,
I am
just
here.
I wanted to talk with you, sir. So it's
Uh,
come to, and I have talked with you 15
uh,
minutes, so it's enough for me, sir. So again, in future, I would like to talk with you, sir. If you
absolutely,
are ready.
absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely, sir, absolutely. Then take care. Enjoy your day. We'll see you next time. Have a good day,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Thank you.